G'day gentlemen, welcome back to the bush. I'm in my driveway today. Up in Robe last weekend, I managed to snap the sway bar link. It's a little bit long for the lifted suspension and a little bit weak for the abuse that I'm giving it. So we're going to replace it with a heavy duty adjustable version. Firstly, we need to undo it. Now, as you can see in here, there's a 5mm Allen key. They're usually full of rubbish. So get a wire or a scriber or whatever you have around. Make sure you clean that out. What you're going to have to do is hold that with an Allen key whilst undoing that, because you can't get access to the back side. There we go. Give it a couple of whacks. It should come straight off. It might take a little while. Eventually it'll come off. They'll usually be lock nuts, so it'll fight you all the way to the end. There's the top half. Now to take the bottom half off. Okay, now the top one's off. Time to do the bottom one. Okay, now we've got that one out. Time to hit around the other side and pull that one out too. I'll spare you the vision of me doing that though. GoPro stop record. As you can see, the replacement adjustable sway bar link's substantially shorter. The original one's about 305mm long. I'm making the adjustable one about 270mm long. Okay, let's bolt it up. Okay. Firstly, we need to install the bottom link. Washer either side. And the nut. And just as before, we'll need to put the Allen key in the end. And tighten up the nut. Now we've got the bottom one done up tight, it's time to move on to the top. GoPro. Now we've tightened up the bottom one, let's install the top. Washer either side. And the lock nut. And just as before, you're going to have to hold it with the Allen key while you wind it in. Now we've got that tight, we have to do the adjustment on the sway bar. Before that though, it's important that we don't preload the sway bar by settling the suspension, and we can't do that. Okay, let's go take it for a spin to settle the suspension. Once around the block should do the trick. Now let's set the preload. Now you've settled the suspension, it's simply a matter for setting neutral preload. Spin it one way till you can feel a bit of resistance. Spin it the other way till you can feel a bit of resistance. And then set it somewhere in the centre. And these ones just need to be done up. Once you've got the bottom one tensioned, you can do the top as well. That's it, job done. See you out on the tracks.